Dear children, today we are going to learn new topic, that is coding. Okay, we are discussing so many topics under for your grade level 3rd standard and 4th standard mathematics. Okay, already we have discussed, that is patterns. Okay, symmetry and patterns we have learnt in our previous class. Okay, and today we are moving to next topic, that is coding. Okay, our new topic is, that is coding. CODING. Okay, our topic is coding. First, what is meant by coding? Okay, what is meant by coding? That is, we are going to represent new terms by using other alphabets or any other numbers, okay, to explain some, okay, that is news or headings, okay, that is coding. Okay, so that is our topic, that is today is coding. By explaining new terms by using other alphabets or numbers, I am going to explain with example. Okay, you can understand easily. Okay, so today our topic is coding. Okay, let me discuss with example. Okay, that is I am going to write, that is capital. By using alphabets means we are going to write, that is A to Z, uppercase letter, that is capital letters A to Z. Okay, I am going to write here, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the uppercase alphabets from A to Z. Okay, I am going to draw a tablet column to represent each alphabet. Okay, okay, and that is these alphabets. Okay, and I am going to put smaller case letter below all these uppercase letter, that is small a. Okay, okay, so I am going to write the table. Okay, the upper line shows the uppercase, that is a capital letters, and lower one that shows the smaller case letter. Okay, for example, we are going to take a one statement or one quotation, anything. Okay, that is I am going to write global, okay, warming. Okay, so global warming, this is a quotation or a newsletter. To explain this word, instead of using this direct lettering, we have to use this representative letter, that is according to the G we have to write, that is small g. Okay, and for L, that is L, and small o, that is B A L. Okay, and for warming, okay, suppose we are going to write this letter, that is for first 13 letters 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, by changing of this smaller case letter from N to Z, we are going to write, that is another numericals or any other lettering. Okay, that is for coding, arrangement of coding. Okay, I am going to write, that is another up to 13 alphabets, only the small case letters from the N to Z. We are going to write, that is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, for representing another numbers also we can use in coding. Okay, and that is global. For warming, that is for W, that is the number, that is 10. Again, that is A, that is a small a. For R, that is the number 5. And for M, that is small m. And for I, okay, that is a small I. And for N, that is 1. Okay, and for G, again the small g. So this is a coding number. Okay, that is 10A5 MI, that is 1G. This is 1. For N, that is number is numerical 1. Okay, so do you understand this? For explaining any code or any terms, we are using another alphabets or another numericals. Okay, one more thing, that is this is example number 1, and next one by using same coding, that is keep left. Okay, KEE, okay, P, okay, and left, that is LEFT. Okay, we are going to take the alphabets and numericals from the table column. That is for K, that is small k, and for E, small e, and capital E, again we put small e, and for P, that's a numerical, that is 3. Okay, do you understand this? And for L, that is small l, okay, and for E, small e, and F, that is for small f, and for T, the number is 7. Okay, so this is a coding word. Okay, and we have to find out the answer, that is called decoding. Okay, this is called coding. Coding means to represent any code or any term by using another alphabets or numbers. So this method is called coding. Okay, this is called coding. Okay, and from this coding number we have to derive the answer, that is called decoding. Okay, how to find out the words? Okay, for example, that is beware of dogs. Okay, that is our third example, that is decoding. That is beware of dogs means, that is here small b. We have to write the coding representative letters, that is beware of dogs, that is B. Okay, and for capital, that is E, and for W, that is 10. Okay, and A and R, that is 5, and for E. Okay, so derive the word, that is beware. Okay, of, that is O, that is 2, and for F, that is small f. Okay, beware of, that is dogs, that is small d, and O, that is the number 2, and for G, and for S, that is 6. Okay, so this is a coding number. Okay, to derive the answer, that is called decoding, that is beware of dogs. Beware of dogs. Okay, so this is a example of coding, and this one is called as decoding. to find out the answer from the coding number. Okay, so this is called coding and decoding by simply using alphabets and numbers. Okay, let me move on to the next topic, that is tessellation.